Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use the Xoom app. In today's fast-paced world, finding a reliable way to send money quickly and easily is essential. Xoom, a service by PayPal, makes this process straightforward. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Xoom, from setting up your account to sending money and more. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about setting up your account. To begin using the Xoom app, the first step is to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app downloaded, open it up and click on the option that says Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and then provide some basic information about yourself. After entering your details, Xoom will ask you to verify your identity. This is an important step to ensure the security of your transactions. You may need to provide additional information, such as your date of birth and your social security number, depending on your location. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully and provide accurate information. Once your account is set up and your identity is verified, you can start using the app. To send money, simply tap on the Send Money option on the home screen. Now, you need to specify the recipient. You can either select someone from your contacts or enter their phone number or email address manually. If this is your first time sending money to this person, you will need to enter their details. Next, you'll need to enter the amount you want to send. Be mindful of the currency in which you're sending the money, as Xoom allows you to send money internationally in various currencies. After entering the amount, you will see a breakdown of any fees associated with your transaction. Take a moment to review the fees to ensure you are comfortable with the total amount that will be deducted from your account. Now, Xoom gives you some options for how the recipient can receive the money. Depending on the country you're sending to, you can select options such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. If you choose bank deposit, you will need to enter the recipient's bank account details. For cash pickup, you may need to provide the name of an authorized pickup location for the recipient. Once you've entered all the necessary information, it's time to confirm your transaction. Review all the details carefully. Make sure the recipient's information is correct, and double-check the amount you're sending. Xoom will provide a summary of the transaction, including any fees again, to ensure everything looks good. If everything is correct, don't hesitate to hit the Send button. You might be asked to authenticate the transaction with either your password or a biometric verification like a fingerprint. This extra layer of security helps to protect your funds and personal details. After you authorize the transaction, you will receive a confirmation notification, and you can track your transaction in the app. Speaking of tracking, Xoom provides real-time updates on the status of your transfer. You can easily access this information in the app. If you ever need to refer back to a previous transaction, Xoom allows you to view your transaction history, which is a handy feature for keeping track of your financial activities. Now let's talk about receiving money through Xoom. If someone decides to send you money, you will receive a notification via email or text, depending on the preferences you set up during your account setup. To claim the money, you may need to download the Xoom app if you have not done so already. Open the app, log into your account, and navigate to the section that shows your received funds. If you are receiving payments from someone outside your country, make sure you understand the exchange rates, as they can fluctuate. This is very important to keep in mind when you are expecting to receive a certain amount in your local currency. Another feature that Xoom offers is the ability to pay bills. If you want to simplify your life, using the Bill Pay feature can be a game changer. To pay bills, select the Bill Pay option from the home screen, enter the details of the biller, and then specify how much you wish to pay. It's simple and efficient. If you encounter any issues while using the Xoom app, it's comforting to know that help is just a click away. Xoom provides a robust help center that can address most common questions and concerns. If you need more individualized assistance, consider reaching out to their customer support team. They are available through chat, email, or even phone support to help you with your inquiries. To summarize, using the Xoom app is straightforward. Start by downloading the app and setting up your account. Then you can easily send and receive money, handle bill payments, and track your transactions with ease. Thank you for joining me in exploring how to use the Xoom app today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in using Xoom for your money transfer needs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more informative content. Have a great day.